Now moving on to the viewer's question, 𝗙𝗵𝗵𝗏 says, I've been investing in mutual funds through SIPs for over 10 years and I add a lump sum during market dips. Each year I follow a tax harvesting strategy, redeeming up to 1.25 lakh rupees of long-term capital gains and reinvesting it gradually through an STP from a debt fund back into equity. Is this the right approach, or should I simply stay invested and skip tax harvesting?
No, if he's able to do it methodically, if he has succeeded in the last 2-3 years, he can well carry on. He should see that, this activity, keeping an eye, selling it at the right time. And anyway, a very small part of his investment is coming out. If he is enjoying it and he is able to derive the benefit of the tax privilege that he has of, the entitlement of 1.25 lakh rupees exempt capital gains tax every year, might as well do it. But in the very long run, the magic of compounding and the only risk which he should be aware of is that missing out few great days of the market is a possibility. And we see it time and again, every now and then. But then, as I said, that the money which is getting out of the which is getting redeemed and is out of the equity market is a small part of it, and is out only for a brief period. So he can, if he's enjoying it, will carry on.